Let's skip discussion, now you're all mine. We've been talking for a long time. What you gon' do, what I'm gon' do. We intertwine as jungle juice, watermelon passion fruit, baby. I know you be needing to get away. He be calling you, texting you, stressing you damn near every day.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma GLAMMA. Welcome to GLAMMA World. So yes, I suppose I did this inspiration look that Cardi B had, and I just forgot to do the look. I ended up doing the lips like hers, but I got so deep into the makeup that I forgot that I was actually supposed to recreate her look, and I really didn't. But I mean, it came out fine. All the makeup I used was new, and not only that, they smell of peaches. So that was interesting and something that I do like. So if you're interested in how I did achieve this look, please continue to watch the video, and then you'll see the picture of Cardi B and what actually I'm supposed to have done. So let's go into the video. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma GLAMMA. Hey, I'm my grandma. Hey, all my new viewers, or you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so it can notify you when I upload videos. And again, like I always say, you can hit the like after you watch the video. So today, I really don't know, of course, what makeup look I'm going to do, but I was going through this magazine, and actually the cover inspired me, and I said, well, this is really pretty on her. Can I recreate this look? So all I can do right is try. So either I'm gonna do that look and get close to it, or it's gonna be something similar. So I'm gonna start off by priming my face. This is the Wet n Wild Cover All Primer. So let's do that. This is how it looks. You guys will always see me in a t-shirt like this, or my other t-shirts that I wear, because this is what I wear to do my makeup. Most of the time I'm doing this at night in the early morning, so I'm not going nowhere. So you will see these t-shirts, not my clothes. I'm not gonna mess up my clothes, the mess I be making. So I'm gonna take this milk. This is a blur stick. I don't see a color. It might be a color on it, but on the packaging I just see blur stick. That came in here. That's all I see. So I'm doing blur. Oh yeah, see, there's no color on it. It has like an orange citrus scent to it. I have this Urban Decay Naked Skin. I know I haven't used this yet. I believe it's on like the dark, one of my summer colors. Yeah, it's dark. So that's a little bit too dark right now for me, even though I mix it up with my very light Marc Jacobs. When I first started buying foundation, of course I didn't know what I was doing, so I have bought a lot of light colors, and now I just mix dark with light. We have NARS Natural Radiance in taupe. Let's see that one. Let's see. I think that will work out. It looks like my skin color. Okay. Knowing I should do my eyes first, but since I done did all this, let's just continue to do what we're doing. And matter of fact, let me color correct before I forget. A little go a long way with this corrector. But this is the Complete in the colors Apricot. So I did a pumpkin in half. Earlier today, I did my eyebrows, brow marker actually, Universal Brown, and I got this from the beauty supply. Comes like this. So that was earlier, and the color is still here. I see I got a little touching up, but it's really still here. I'm also going to go and use another product by Clinique. And this actually came basically about these at the same time. The concealer. And this concealer is the Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. This color is medium 20. I'm not going to be highlighting my forehead and nose and all that. Not tonight. You know, sometimes you look okay just doing the eye. I'm going to take my wet beauty blender. I'm going to take my toothpaste setting powder, Born This Way. It's translucent. So let's go on to eyes. I have this new CoverGirl Peach Punch and Sunset. So I got these here. There's some pretty colors. Let's go on to Peach Bunch. And I'm going to take this color here and start in my crease. They don't have any names. So I'm going to take this Morphe. This is the 505 brush. Okay. Ooh. That smells so good. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this darker color here. You see how that fall out there? Yeah. Go into the darker color here to intensify my crease. Sunset palette. Oh, some pretty colors also in here. No. Don't smell like nothing. No. It don't smell like nothing. So I'm going just like a reddish brown. I'll put this in my outer V and a little bit in my crease. I'm going to my NYX, and this is the eyeshadow base. This is the color. And do a cut crease with that. I got a flat brush. This brush is really flat. I don't know. I had this brush for forever. It might be a paint brush. I don't know where I got this brush from. I'll take this red color, put it in my outer V, and contour the center almost of my eye to combine the color. I'm gonna go back in the CoverGirl Peach palette and to get that dark color again. I'll put it on my outer V. So I'm taking this peach color here. Now soften up the harsh line. So yes, I went and I finished up my eyes. I used the NARS Climax in black to do a wing. I used my Cat Von D tattoo liner. It's also in black, Trooper black. So now we can go on to contouring. So I have Black Radiance here. I love Black Radiance contour sticks and the contour line period. I really do like it. And this is the contour here. Sculpt the contour. I can go either way, but I think I'm gonna take this lighter brown. Okay, and it's really pigment. I'm gonna take this little Dollar Store brush I got. It's cute. It's so cute. I'm gonna take that and just contour my face. Won't pretend I'm your man, just your number one fan. Get this service, baby. So now the contour and everything is done. I got beside myself and forgot about the look. So we're gonna have to do this next time because I don't think this is a cut crease. But I just stopped just doing stuff and forgot all about this look. Yeah, they don't like a cut crease. Not sure. So I'm gonna try to make my lips like hers, I guess. So I had got these. I'm pretty sure I got them from Marshall's or TJ Maxx or one of them stores. And this right here is MB Velour Lips. And I'm gonna take this color here, which is their color on here. No color, they came all together, but there's no color on this. I'm gonna take that. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this lightest color here. These three light, I'm gonna take this lightest color here. And this is actually, this is the Art of Lips lip color. And let's see, they have a, nope, no color on this. And that these came together.
We've been talking for a long time. What you gon' do, what I'm gon' do. We intertwine this jungle juice, watermelon, passion fruit, baby. I know you be needing to get away.
So I'm just taking my Real Technique, my lip brush right here. This is how it looks. I'm just going to smudge my liner. But since we already smell like peaches and stuff like that, might as well go into my peach highlighter by Too Faced. And plus, her highlighter looks white. It don't look golden, it looks white. So this is, I'm pretty sure it's that same kind of color. Let's see. Well, let's test. I think I can work with that. Take my Milani, my highlighting brush. Let's put some Max. Let's put some Max 50 Plus on there. Oh yeah. Down here, yeah. It smells so good. So, all I gotta do is do blush, right? Let's do blush. Just keep the peach going. Keep the peach going. And this is actually so peachy. My Real Technique blush brush. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video because I really did enjoy this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so it can notify you when I do upload videos. So yep, this is it. So good night or good morning. Forget no grandma. Glamour.